Hello and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to get the Sky News app and how to watch Sky News. So just go to Google and look for Sky News basically, and type in SKY Sky News. But I want you to end it with app, so you search for something specific. I don't get a whole lot of results that are irrelevant, so be patient. Just type Sky News app. And you see this version from play.google.com, that's one you want. So click on it and you have it right here. You could click on the install button to get it installed. I already have it installed. So you find the open button there. Clicking on it just opens the app. You could be patient, wait for yours to install, and then you click on open. Or just access it from your library. Now when you come here to watch it, you can find very hot topics already playing and the news is already going on. You could come to live TV and explore that live footage that are going on. You go back home, you could just come to watch and find content peculiar to you. The most watched stories come up at the top, the latest videos come up next, and you could navigate to other portions and actually explore it. So all this is on Sky Sports. You can also go to listing if you just want to listen and you want to get the news and the top stories just by listening. You could do that as well. And to the bottom right, the menu shows you programs, puzzles, and different topics on politics and the rest. So these are the different programs that have come up on Sky News. You could follow each of them depending on what you are interested in. So if you found that insightful, I want you to hit the like button, subscribe to this channel for more content just like this.